Hello crafty friends, welcome to day 24 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Calendar. I'm opening up our parcel to see what we have. And today we've got a really lovely set of embellies, or otherwise known as lavender pearls. I'm going to open up the packet and take them out so we can have a closer look. And they're not just a pearl, they have a very iridescent glaze that's not coming up quite so well on the camera, but they are very, very nice, and it doesn't hurt that they're purple as well. So let me put them back under their packaging, and I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you get a chance to join me tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.